Hello again, Rockets, and happy Friday. We hope you've had an awesome week, and we're so excited to answer some of your questions. You all submitted a lot of really great questions, and unfortunately, we won't be able to answer all of them today, but we still have a few weeks before the end of the school year. So every Friday, we'll answer a few more of your questions. Our first question came from Marley in 5th grade. Her question was, what kind of impact will you make at our school? This is such a great question. And I want to start my answer by saying that I am so excited to be part of Rolling Meadows because I have heard nothing but amazing things about the teachers, the staff, the students, and the whole community. And so I think you all are already doing amazing things there. One of my favorite things about working as an educator, when I was a teacher and now as an assistant and then a principal, is that there's always things that we can be doing better. There's always ways that we can grow. And so my goal, and I hope my impact, is that I can come and just add and share the knowledge that I have, and we can continue to grow together as a school community in lots of different ways. I do want to share 2 ways that I think that I will be able to help our school to continue growing based on my experience that I've had. Like I mentioned in the first video, as a teacher, I spent a lot of my time teaching students who are multilingual learners or students who are learning English as their second language. I'm really, really passionate about making sure that we support these kids because not only do they have to come and learn math and science and reading like all the other students in the school, but on top of it, they have to learn English, a whole new language, and they have to learn a lot of times what it's like to live in a new country and go to school in a new country. And so I hope that one way I can impact our school community and help it to grow is to find ways to support these students. I also speak Spanish. My husband is from Peru, and he helps me as well to learn even more Spanish. And so I really want to help Spanish-speaking families and families who speak other languages to feel like they're a part of our school community. Another thing that I'm really passionate about is that 5th and 6th grade students, you all are so important in our school community. You're the leaders. You're the ones who set the example for all of the other students. And so something that I hope to make an impact in is finding ways that you can increase your abilities to act as leaders. So giving you opportunities to work with younger students, finding other ways that you can serve in our school community as leaders, because I feel like that's really important for you all to be successful, not only now, but in the future as you go on to junior high and high school.
Hello, Rockets. So good to see you again. I absolutely love this question of what kind of impact will you make at our school? Well, first, I just want you to know I'm excited and honored that I get to come to Rolling Meadows and be a part of the great traditions and hard work that you already do. The impact that I want to make sure I am known for is when you leave my presence in my office or at lunch or wherever I might run into you, that you know you are loved and cared about. I also truly believe in a growth mindset. So even when we make mistakes, we can grow from that and we can learn from that and be better. So you're going to see me a lot at recess on the playground. You'll see me out there shooting some hoops, maybe showing some kids how to play some soccer, having some fun and laughing, and just knowing that education is important and having fun and engaging times while we're at school is also important. Can't wait to meet you in person.
Now we have some awesome questions from Mrs. Burbage's 3rd grade class. So first, do I like chocolate? I don't like chocolate. I love chocolate. My favorite combination is anything with chocolate and peanut butter together. Do you eat cereal? I do eat cereal. In fact, sometimes when I'm really tired and I don't want to cook dinner, that is what I eat for dinner. I would say my favorite cereal is probably either Trix or Lucky Charms. What is my favorite food? This one's really hard because I really like food. But I would probably say tacos because there's so many different kinds of tacos, different kinds of meat. You can make them in different ways and put different toppings on them. And so they never get boring and they're so delicious.
Third grade, thank you for some great questions. You are already like pinpointing the person I am. I love food. I wake up in the morning and I'm very intent on knowing what I'm going to eat for the day. So, do I like chocolate? Of course, I love chocolate, especially dark chocolate with like a fruity flavor added to it. I do eat cereal, sometimes, not a lot, but I do eat it. It always reminds me of being a kid and just watching, some cartoons on the weekend and relaxing and playing with my friends. Favorite food? Okay, you guys, I love spicy food. So give me the Thai food, give me the Mexican food, give me an Indian food, give me something with some spice and some flavor, and I am just the happiest person alive. What a great question. Keep them coming.
All right, Rockets, that's all the questions we're going to answer this week. We'll definitely answer more next week, so keep them coming. We hope you have a great rest of your Friday and a fabulous weekend.